So it would be redundant to ask them to be present here again. So let me now proceed, Mr. Marcoleta, to other matters.
May I ask that the short video, Mr. Chair, be shown, because that will provide context already.
In that case, Comsec, please.
Ng Iglesia ni Manalo. Iglesia ni Manalo na Diablo na nagsasabing iglesia daw ni Kristo. Itong si Marcoleta ay talagang demonyo din na katulad po ni Kibuloy. Paano ko nasabi? Mamaya po papaliwanag ko sa inyo kung gaano po kademonyo yung putang inang Marcoletang ito. Itong malaking matang itong diputang ito na masasabi mo talagang diablo rin katulad ni Kibulok.
Mr. Chair, yung vlogger na yan, ang pangalan niya sa social media is Epifanio Labrador. Hindi ko po siya kilala. Narinig po ninyo kung murahin niya yung aking relihiyon na kinabibilangan. At pati po ako pinagmumura niya, tinawag po niya akong demonyo, lahat. Pero hindi po ako kumikibo. Ang sinasabi ko lang, kung tayo talaga ay i-address po natin ang mga ganitong klaseng paninira na mga narratives, ay siguro po pati itong mga ganitong klaseng tao ay may patawag din natin. Ako po, kahit na po ano pang sabihin nila, I will just stay as I am. As transparent and as accountable as I am. Because right now, what we need are people that can probably criticize us to the height of even abusing their rights. Pero ako po, walang problema sa kanila. Ay darating din po ang panahon that these people will be rendered useless. At wala nang maniniwala sa kanila until time will come na masasabi ng tao that they are stupid, useless people and they are simply liars. Tayo po, ang ating role lang basta ayusin lang po natin ang ating pagsisilbi. Kahit ano pong sabihin nila sa atin. Tingnan po niyo yung pagmumura nila sa akin. Wala naman po akong hindi ko po nga kilala yan. Kung murahin niya po ako, parang kayo po, narinig po ninyo lahat kung anong pinagsasabi niya. But people, I think, will not believe him. Dahil hindi po ako yun, yung sinasabihan niya. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
That is precisely the objective of this hearing, Representative Marcoleta. So, are you requesting that Mr. Epifanio be called to be invited for the next hearing?
By all means, Mr. Chair, I will thank you for that.
Comsec, please take note. The said person that has been mentioned earlier by Representative Marcoleta will be invited for the next hearing. Before we proceed, may I acknowledge the presence online of Representative Mix Villaferte, Representative Sandro Gonzales. And finally, can we now present the committee video presentation? Thank you, Comsec. Before we proceed with the interpellations,
Mr. Chair,
yeah,
do we have other bloggers that we have today? We would like to know if there are other bloggers present right now.
Comsec, can you read again the vloggers present and those who are absent?
Your Honors, in attendance for today's meeting, the following vloggers: Ms. Elizabeth Joey Cruz, Ms. Ethel Pineda, Ms. Crisette Laureta Chu.
Mr. Chair, if they're here, we'd like them to stand up and acknowledge the recognition.
We already did earlier. I just told them to raise their right hands. Anyway, we have 18 invited social media personalities or quote-unquote bloggers, and I don't know how many are present. But anyway, we'll now proceed with the... can you read again the members, the bloggers present?
Ms. Elizabeth Joey Cruz, Ms. Ethel Pineda, Ms. Crisette Loretta Chu, Mr. Mark Anthony Lopez, Ms. Mary Jane Kiambao Reyes, Dr. Richard Tesoro Mata, Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles, and Mr. Mark Louis Gamboa.
So there are at least about 7 to 8 out of 18 social media personalities present.
Mr. Chair, some of these bloggers have their lawyers with them. So I'd like to find out if these lawyers would be allowed
Yes,
to
I
speak.
think former Secretary Silvestro Bello is standing as lawyer for the social media personalities, correct?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. I would like to confirm that we represent Ms. Crisette Chu as our client, and the other bloggers and who are here present and who have their own counsel, but we collaborate with the third counsel, Your Honor.
Thank you. Representative Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, can we ask Attorney Bello? Sir, can you mention all the names that you represent as counsel? Kasi po, for the information of everyone, si Attorney Bello po has already entered his appearance during the previous hearing, where in fact he was allowed to speak for on behalf of the clients during that hearing. Now, just to reiterate, Attorney, Sec, paki-mention po kasi we have invited at least 18 bloggers, and present as of today is only 7 or 8 mentioned by the COMSEC. So who are those bloggers being represented as counsel by former Secretary Bello?
Yes, Your Honor. As I stated earlier, we represent Ms. Crisette Chu. And in addition, Your Honor, as collaborating counsel, we have the following bloggers, Your Honor. Ms. Mary Jane Reyes, Ms. Trixie Angeles, Ms. Joy Cruz, Ms. Aaron Peña, Mr. Ahmed Paglinawan, Ms. Ethel Pineda Garcia. That's all, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, how many of them are present?
Can you count, COMSEC, ilan ang social media personalities na present in your record? Out of 18. Correct. My estimate was 8. Representative Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. Anyway, out of the 8 mentioned by former Secretary Attorney Bello, ilan po yung nandito ngayon?
8.
No, the client being represented by Attorney Bello.
They are 7, Your Honor. Present
7
this morning.
present today.
Yes, together with our client, Ms. Crisette Chu.
And those absent today, out of 8 ata yung, you mentioned 8 names?
In addition to our client on record, Ms. Chu, Your Honor, we are collaborating with the counsel, with their counsel, Attorney Gonzales. They are only 6 present this morning.